Hello my friends, short review, just unboxing, just first looking for this smart bike from TOWILD. So I have some extra option I will show you, but it's not full review, it's just unboxing, just first looking. So what we have here? We have thermal control, we have Type-C here, built-in charger, built-in battery. TL600 lumens, it's not low powerful. This one it would be correct for other guys on the road, water resistant, impact resistant, as it should be. So three main motors, 150, 300, 600, but this one is depend till working of thermal control and to night flash and daily flash, and will show you all it. So in complex it is basic complex, each one is extra one complex, and next one, this one pult, I will show you it. Awesome. So built-in Type-C charger, that's cool. Press and hold. Sorry, I want to show you this one optic. Press and hold for start, short press for changing mode. As I said, 150, 300, 600. Press and hold for off. Here is indication of level of battery, and next one what I will show you. Press and hold. Via one blinking we have interesting mode. So it would be work stabilized 2 minutes, 120 seconds. Then it would be automatically shut down till it get some receiving vibration. According this one, you see intelligent mode and manual mode. Manual mode I will show you. In intelligent mode, the main lamp will be turned off after 120 seconds and reboot for new 120 seconds after receiving vibration. Shut down in intelligent mode and go to standby as usual. So what does it call? It means that when you use your like a bicycle flashlight, when you don't need, you want to stop, it would be shut down for saving level of battery. But when you need it after a couple minutes again, you get your bike, start to riding, it would be automatically working again. And this one all working during 1 hour. It's, I think, not bad for something night going. If you are professional night trailer, maybe you should use something professional solution. It's, I think, for ordinary user, for like me, maybe like you. Also will show this one, but it means about thermal control, as I said, but those modes are stabilized. You see, like magic. Next one model, what's interesting, so press and hold, and more holding. You see here is red, and we have this one cool device. Press and hold, it start to work. Next one button going till those blinking, and Press and hold for off. I think that's really cool. And again, press and hold for start. That's cool. In description of this video would be a link where you can buy it on AliExpress if you're interested in those type of device. And also in a couple days would be full review. I will show you it. I think I will make a review compare with couple other different bicycles flashlight. I think maybe from Phoenix. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.